Hello everyone, I'm Sumit Kumar Bhatia from BPA Semester 6. My topic for IBM's video presentation is International Monetary Fund. So here we go. International Monetary Fund (IMF) is an international organization of 189 countries working to foster global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade, promote high employment and sustainable economic growth, and reduce poverty around the world. It now plays a central role in the management of balance of payment difficulties and international financial crises. The IMF also works to improve the economies of its member countries. International Monetary Fund's abbreviation is IMF. It is formed on 27 December 1945, 74 years ago. It is an international financial institution whose purpose is to promote international monetary cooperation, facilitate international trade, foster sustainable economic growth, make resources available to members experiencing balance of payments difficulties. Its headquarters is in Washington, D.C., US. 189 countries are member of it, and Kristalina Georgieva is the managing director of IMF, and its main organ are its board of governors, and its parent organization is United Nations UN. Now, functional departments. The IMF has three principal functions and activities: surveillance of financial and monetary condition in its member countries and of the world economy, financial assistance to help countries overcome major balance of payment problems, and technical assistance and advisory services to member countries. It works to foster global growth and economic stability. It helps to achieve macroeconomic stability and reduce poverty. The IMF provides alternate sources of financing. It oversees the fixed exchange rate arrangement between countries. It helps national government to manage their exchange rates and allowing these governments to prioritize economic growth. It helps to provide short-term capital to aid the balance of payments. The IMF was also intended to help the international economy after the Great Depression and World War II, to provide capital investments for economic growth and projects such as infrastructure. The IMF was also researched what types of a government policy would ensure economic recovery. The IMF negotiates conditions on lending and loans under their policy of conditionality. Now, purpose of IMF. IMF promote international monetary cooperation, expansion and balanced growth of international trade, promote exchange rate stability, the elimination of restriction on the international flow of capital. It make resources of the fund available to the members. It help establish multilateral system of payments and eliminate foreign exchange restrictions. It shortens the duration and lessen the degree of disequilibrium in international balance of payment. It fosters economic growth and high level of employment, and temporary financial assistance to countries to help the balance of payment adjustments. Success and failure of IMF. First, success of IMF. IMF is a successful international monetary corporation. It reconstructed European countries and multilateral system of foreign payments. It increased international liquidity and international trade. It is providing special aid to developing countries and also providing statistical information. It is helpful in times of difficulties, and it has easiness and flexibility in making international payments. Now, failures of IMF. It has lack of stability in exchange rate and in the price of gold, inability to remove restrictions on foreign trade. It is a club of rich nations. It is providing no help for development projects and no solution for international liquidity. IMF interferes in domestic economies. Inability to tackle the monetary crisis of August 1971, and it has high rate of interest. These are some of the reasons for its failure. India and IMF. India is the founder member of IMF. Earlier, India was made a permanent executive director of the board of directors. At present, India is no longer a permanent director. India is now an elected member of IMF. India's rank is 13th among 189 member nations. Advantage from membership of IMF to India: facility of foreign exchange, freedom from British pound, membership of the World Bank, importance of India in international sector, economic consultation, help during emergency, financial help for 5-year plans, special drawing rights, help in foreign exchange crisis, and profit from sale of gold. Thank you.